So you are a skincare beginner, you have no idea how to start your skincare journey. You need affordable products, you need recommendations, and also how to choose the right product for your skin type. Well, in less than 10 minutes, I'm going to make sure that you start your skincare journey by guiding you on the right recommendations for your skin type, and also recommending affordable products that you can go and get immediately after watching this video. If this sounds like what you're here for, please hit the like button. As a beginner, you need a cleanser. So cleanser is just like the regular soaps you use every day, but this one we are being intentional about it by picking the right product. So as a beginner, you need a cleanser, and that cleanser is going to help you get rid of dirt and particles on your face or body. So my affordable recommendation has to be any of the simple facial wash. You can get any one depending on your skin type, and if you don't know your skin type, please go and watch this video and then come back here to continue the video. Any of the simple products, they are affordable. They range from like 3,500 to 4,000 naira. You cannot afford the cleansers I just mentioned because they are within like 3,500 to 5,000 ranges. Please go and get this Dove bar soap. Dove bar soap is just like a regular soap. The only difference is this one is tailored to be your skin exact pH, so it's not going to irritate your skin, and it's not doing anything apart from helping you to get rid of the dirt on your skin. So you need a cleanser. The second thing you need as a beginner, like maybe an hydrating serum or a brightening serum or any product that helps you fight against free radicals, and that would contain ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, green tea. Affordable products, I'm going to recommend Dr. Rachel vitamin C. It is currently retailing for like 3,000 naira or so. So what that is going to help you do is to hydrate your skin and also fight against free radicals like all the sun damage that is going to affect your skin. So it's going to help you heal that. And that's the second step as a beginner, as a skincare beginner. That's the second thing you need. First thing, you need a cleanser. Second thing, you need like a serum that's going to help you fight against free radicals. The third thing you need as a beginner is going to be a moisturizer. What that moisturizer is going to help you do is to help you lock in the moisture into your skin so that your skin does not feel dry and tight and is not itchy or giving that redness. Products I can recommend is also from Simple. There's Simple Hydrating Moisturizer, there's Simple Replenishing Moisturizer. But if you also cannot afford any of these, please go and get Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. It's in a small cream container. It is really affordable. I think it's retailing for like 2,500 or 3,000 naira. So that's the third step you need. Cleanse, hydrate, moisturize, and then we are going to follow up with a sunscreen. So get any sunscreen of your choice. There are a lot of affordable sunscreen. I'm going to put them on the screen so that you can pick any. Just ensure the one you are picking does not have a white cast and you are good to go. Please ensure that you are reapplying your sunscreen. So those are like the basic steps you need as a beginner. All these products are less than 10k. You want a head to toe beginner friendly skincare routine, then let's go to body. So you can also use this Dove bar soap to wash your body. It's also going to help you get rid of dirt and particles on your skin. It's just a basic cleanser, nothing serious going on. Then get this exfoliating glove. This is an exfoliating glove that is going to help you get rid of the dead skin cells on your body. So if you cannot afford like physical scrub or anything, get this exfoliating glove. It's just going to look like all this African bath sponge that we use, but this one is a lot more exfoliating. And then you can follow up with a body cream. Nivea's are affordable products, and somebody is going to ask me that it's not going to make me dark. There are different types of Nivea. It depends on the ingredients in it. If what you are looking for is moisturizing and hydrating, get this Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care. If what you are looking for is something brightening, something that is going to help you brighten your skin, that's going to give your skin that glow, then go for the second one, which is the Even and Glow Radiant and Beauty from Nivea. There are like 2 packs. The second one of this, I'm going to put it on the screen so you can get any of this. They are currently retailing for 3,100 to 3,500 in Nigeria. Just depends. So after that, if you like to take it up a notch, then you can go for body oils. There are a lot of affordable body oils. For a beginner, I like to recommend baby oil because it's the most affordable. It's currently retailing for 1,000 naira. So just get Pears baby oil. So use it to seal in moisture and you're going to get that glow. See, skincare is expensive, quite alright. It can also be affordable depending on your choice of product and what you are looking to achieve with your skincare routine. But if you're a beginner, no really big issue going on. You just want to take your skincare game seriously. All these things I've recommend is going to help you achieve that result. If you're also dealing with acne, but you need affordable products, I'm going to tell you for a fact, if you have acne, you're going to want to like expand your budget a little bit. But then if you don't have that much budget, let's just say you are working with 10 to 15k budget for your skincare, please go and get azelaic acid and go and watch my video right here to see how to use it. It's going to help you tackle your acne and hyperpigmentation, and it's also quite affordable and going to fit into your current budget. So if you know anybody that has been wanting to start their skincare journey, but because they have been hearing that skincare is expensive, don't know where to start, share this video with them and help somebody start their glow journey immediately. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and guys, see you in my next video. Bye.